Hi, my name is Nate Gilbert. I'm an attorney in San Antonio, Texas, and one of the areas that I practice in is LLC formation. Probably the number one question I get from clients that want to form an LLC is how long is that process going to take? From when we start to when you have an LLC that you can actually go and conduct business with, what's the timeline? And right now, for us, the attorney-client part of that process is very quick. We can get that done in a week, 2 weeks, depending on the availability of the client, availability of the members, to draft our operating agreement, go over that operating agreement, make the changes that we need to make, and make sure everybody understands their obligations to the company. That can be done fairly quickly on our side. The filing part kind of holds us up sometimes, and that's where clients can get frustrated, is when we file that certificate of formation with Secretary of State, we have to wait for them back to us with an official stamped certificate of formation that says, yes, you've been filed with the Secretary of State of Texas, you are an official LLC in Texas now. And right now that can range. That can be between 5 and 14 days post-pandemic as far as when we're waiting on that stamped copy of the certificate of formation. Now personally, in my opinion, when we do LLCs, I don't like to do any filing for EINs, employer identification numbers from the IRS, until we get that certificate of formation back. I think it's just a little more official that we can actually form that LLC and then do the EIN. But once we get the certificate of formation back, it's same day with the EIN. That process is very, very quick. That can be done relatively quickly. So usually I like to give my clients, if we can get stuff done in 2 weeks, that's great, but usually we can get it done in a week depending on that certificate of formation getting back to us. So usually that's what I tell my clients, and to be patient with us as we work with Secretary of State, but as far as being involved in the end process between attorney and client, we can get that done very, very quickly.